Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and boy, it's been a little while since I've done an episode, so bear with me. This is NoodleMix with their vegetarian noodles. They hail from Taiwan. You can see it in the vertical way and the horizontal way. Man, the stuff that I've tried from this company has been a true delight to relish and sample. It's really good stuff. So how's the deal? How are you doing? It's been crazy lately. I just came out last week, I think, with the global top 10 list. And while I was working on that and stuff, I've just been kind of like not doing anything review related. So yeah, this is the first one I'm doing. I'm gonna try to get back to doing more of it. They're starting to pile up. See, I get samples all the time, and yeah. By the way, it comes with a lovely sachet of desiccant, keeping things dry since they figured out how to make it. And yeah. Yes. So I've been doing a ton of walking. Today would have been the 65th day in a row of doing 10 miles or more a day. And in fact, last week I did 4 days in a row that were not 10, but 15 or more. So that's kind of crazy. And then, unfortunately, my wife's grandfather, he's a really cool dude, but he's pretty old too. He's 101 and his health is failing, and so she went down to see him. So I'm not going to be able to get my 10 miles in today, but it's all right, you know. Pretty sad. Really nice guy, and yeah. Ooh, don't boil over. And I've been working on my top 10. Oh, that's my wife. On my top 10 Japan list today. That will be out by the time you see this. It better be. But yeah, I'm doing that. And just tons of walking. Tons and tons and tons and tons of walking. I beat my last month, April 2023, I had walked more in 1 month than I had since May of 2021 when I got like 1.1 million steps. Yeah, last month I did like 796,000. This month on the what day was that? That was Friday, so the 28th, I beat that by like 4,000 or something like that. I hit 800,000. And I was able to pull off doing about 22,000 yesterday, so. And mind you, this is a 30-day month, April. So that's pretty good. Yeah, March I beat my record, and then I just in April broke my record. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. I'm very stoked. And I'm just gonna keep doing it as long as I can. Yeah. So that's what's going on with me. There's gotta be more going on with me. I don't know. But I mean, I'm losing weight. It's the goal, and it seems to be working well. I'm shrinking, and the weather is getting better, which is nice. Last 2 days I think Friday we hit 80, and yesterday we didn't, but we got close enough. It was pretty warm, and now it's kind of cloudy, nice breeze out there. Perfect walking weather, which I might have to partake in. I can't not walk, I swear. I have to get out. It's fun and enjoyable. I think I've been growing my beard out as long as I've been doing this, so maybe I'll just keep doing it. Although when it gets warm and you get sweaty and you have a sweaty beard, that's not cool. So, yeah. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. But what have I been doing? Taking the kids on lots of walks. And I worked on my arcade cabinet yesterday. Worked on the monitor, got that in a better spot. Since my wife's been gone all weekend, I did all the laundry. And to get steps in the house, this is sad. This is how addicted to walking I am and trying to get these numbers. I put away the laundry as inefficiently as possible. So there's our bedroom and there's the kids' room. I get all the kids' clothes ready to go, and then I'll take one item of clothing and walk it in there. Come back, get another, take it in there. Come back, get another. But I got my 10 miles yesterday, so whatever. Whatever's clever. I've also been keeping it at or around 1,200 calories a day. It's like have I had any calories today? I had vitamins. I had vitamin calories. So that's going to get shot pretty quick because I'm going to do this one and then I'm going to do a mukbang afterwards. Not of this one, but of another one. It's fun. And yeah, I'm taking the dog around. It's starting to get too hot for her. We want to get like some kind of harness pack deal thing for her so I can pack water. I don't really want to wear a backpack of my own. She can wear a backpack. You can wear a backpack, Pepper. Yeah. Oh, she says no thanks. That's what Mimi said. Oh, Mimi got her ears pierced. You'll get to see that on the mukbang. She's very excited about that. Very brave. Okay, so the deal with this one is once this is done, with the 6.5, it says do it for 6 to 7 minutes, and then cover the noodles while they boil for 30 seconds. I don't know, it's weird. I've never seen any of them tell you to do that, but that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so never mind the 6. Here. Oh my. There. Oh, come on. The stove, the water, the boil. It's just coming out like crazy. No. No. Okay, it's done. You're done. You're done. Get off of there. You're done. Oh my god. Well, I'm back in business, folks. Making messes. Hey, get off of there! I'm doing my show. They're supposed to be watching me, you. Are you enjoying your day, Miles? Are you exercising?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm kind of busy doing some exercising for...
Gotcha. Well, you do you. I'm gonna do what I'm doing.
Okay.
But you do you, sir. I'm doing make a mess on the stove.
It's a mess.
Yeah, it's a mess. Okay. One moment, ladies and gentlemen, while I continue to clean up all the water that came out on the stove. It's my welcome back to reviewing. It didn't do it. Oh. Well, well, well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is professionalism at its finest. Okay, so now let's drain our noodle. No, you do what you're doing. I'll do what I'm doing. Don't horn in on my show. Today, if you didn't know, is Sunday, April 30th, 2023. And today, my wife is coming back from California. So I'm happy about that. The children are very happy about that. Be watching FlightAware. I just don't like when FlightAware kind of glitches a little bit. It's just like, wait a second. I see these other flights moving. Why isn't this one moving? Why aren't the numbers changing? Oh, it just stopped for a second. Okay. So we've got, here's what we got. It's gonna be weird. The only way I've seen my wife in the last couple days really has been via Facebook video chat. So it'll be nice to see her in real life, IRL as it were. Whoa. No two people on. Go sit on the couch. You're busted, both of you. Off, go now. Go on, get. Don't step on the dog. I tell ya, when there's a camera going, they're into it. They want to be YouTube professionals themselves. I think that'd be a great thing if they can do that, because I certainly can't. That's not my thing. I just like doing this. Ooh, that's a scent. Oh, and I made chashu the other day. I made some chashu that didn't work as well as I would have liked. It worked, just like I said, not as well as I would have liked. Alright, here we go. My first taste of the day. This one doesn't really want to stir all that well. Okay, come on, you. Here is the NoodleMix vegetarian one. The last one I had was their signature, which was absolutely a gorgeous noodle. This one's nice and thick. Let's give it a try. I'm detecting fungus. Yeah, there's little bits of fungus in there. Oh my god, this is good. Wow. Pretty sure that's fungus. I don't know what else it would be. If it's vegetarian, it certainly does have that meatiness to it. Very good. Very good. Bravo. These guys have made me like fascinated. What was the one? There was one with lion's mane mushroom in it that was just spectacular. I'm like, never had that before. Great way to be introduced to such a thing. Oh, the sun's out. But I have a new idea. I'll have to show you that. Hopefully it'll work. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Alright, what do we got going on here? Oh. Okay, let's get reacquainted with the camera. There we are. So here's our fancy noodle. Oh. They're thick and they're really, really rich and they're really delightful. You know, a lot of times when I have something that says it's like vegetable flavor, it's just like a really buttery funk. This is not. This is just like. Oh my. That's the only way I can explain it. It's like, oh man. So, I cut the chashu, the pork belly, the wrong direction. So I ended up with these like narrow, way too narrow, way too hard to butcher twine up into a cohesive thing deals. As you can see, that didn't work out the way I would have liked it, but I would venture to say it's the tastiest chashu I've ever made. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, kitchen torch. Well, I guess I have to do that. Unfortunately, we don't have time in the episode. I mean, we do, but it would be a very long episode. You have to put it in and let it sit for like 10 minutes, so I'm not gonna... Just pretend it came out a little more. Okay, we got that. And I'm gonna had some of this with my dinner last night. A little bit of crushed red pepper. I know it's vegetarian, but I like putting chashu on stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah. Well, this is awful nice. Nice way to spend a early Sunday afternoon. All right, right on. Thanks for joining me. The next one you're gonna see, there will be a mukbang, ladies and gentlemen. This is Samyang Foods and their bulldog, but this is a different one. This is udon, basil. What is it? Basil and cream? Yeah, basil and cream udon. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. Followed an hour later by a episode of Professional Mukbang. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.